Sai Baba's teachings and the significance of Thursday's Gatu. 1. Introduction to Sai Baba and his universal teachings. Sai Baba of Shirdi, one of India's most revered saints, is known for his teachings that transcend religion and caste. His life was a testament to love, compassion, humility, and the power of faith. While Sai Baba did not specifically designate Thursday as a sacred day, devotees have adopted it as the most auspicious day to worship him. This is because many spiritual traditions associate Thursdays with Guru worship, and Sai Baba is considered the supreme Guru by his followers. Devotees believe that observing special prayers, fasting, and charity on Thursdays brings blessings, peace, and divine grace. On this day, Sai Baba's teachings are revisited, and his core messages of Shraddha, faith, and Saburi, patience, are emphasized. 2. The importance of Thursday in Sai worship. Thursdays hold a deep significance in Hindu and Sufi traditions. In Hinduism, it is a day dedicated to Brihaspati, Jupiter, the guru of the gods, making it an ideal day for honoring great spiritual teachers like Sai Baba. In Islam, Thursdays are also a day of their special prayers and remembrance. Since Sai Baba preached unity among religions, Thursday has naturally become a day of collective worship for his devotees. On this day, devotees visit temples, conduct arti, read Sai Sacharitra, and offer special prayers. The belief is that those who sincerely pray to Sai Baba on Thursdays will experience spiritual growth and fulfillment of their wishes. 3. Sai Baba's core teachings and their relevance on Thursdays. Sai Baba's advice applies to everyday life, but Thursdays serve as a reminder to reflect deeply on his wisdom. Some of his core teachings include A. Faith, Shraddha, and patience, Saburi. Sai Baba's fundamental teaching is that one must have complete faith in God and practice patience. Devotees who seek blessings must not lose heart if their prayers are not answered immediately. He taught that everything happens at the right time according to divine will. Thursday. Practice. Read Sai Sacharitra and meditate on how patience and faith can be applied to life's challenges. Visit a Sai Baba temple or participate in an arti prayer ceremony. Practice patience in everyday life, especially in difficult situations. B. Service to humanity and charity. Sai Baba believed in selfless service and encouraged helping those in need. He often said, "If you serve others, you serve me." His life was an example of compassion as he helped the poor, sick, and hungry without discrimination. Thursday. Practice. Donate food to the poor or contribute to a Sai Baba temple's Annadanam free food service. Help someone in need, whether through financial aid or emotional support. Perform acts of kindness without expecting anything in return. C. Devotion and surrender to God's will. Sai Baba taught that complete surrender to God brings peace. He often assured his devotees that he was always with them, guiding them through their difficulties. However, he emphasized that surrender means letting go of ego and control. Thursday. Practice. Pray with complete surrender, saying, Sai, I trust in you. Let go of anxiety and accept life's outcomes as divine will. Practice humility and avoid arrogance in daily interactions. D. Truth, honesty, and righteous living. Sai Baba always emphasized truthfulness. He encouraged people to live with integrity, avoid deceit, and practice righteousness in all aspects of life. Thursday. Practice. Make a conscious effort to be truthful in words and actions. Reflect on past mistakes and seek forgiveness for any dishonest acts. Be fair and just in personal and professional life. E. Equality and religious harmony. One of Sai Baba's most powerful teachings was unity among religions. He never identified himself with any single religion and preached that all paths lead to the same divine truth. He welcomed people of all faiths, saying, Sabka Malikik, one God governs all. Thursday, practice. Read scriptures from different faiths to understand their essence. Respect and learn from different religious traditions. Avoid any form of discrimination and embrace universal love. 4. Thursday, rituals and devotional practices. Devotees observe several rituals on Thursdays to seek Sai Baba's blessings. These include A. Visiting Sai Baba temples. On Thursdays, temples dedicated to Sai Baba see large gatherings of devotees. Special prayers, bhajans, devotional songs, and artists are conducted. Practice: visit a Sai Baba temple and offer prayers, participate in aarti and bhajan sessions, seek blessings, and reflect on his teaching. B. Reading Sai Satcharitra. The Sai Satcharitra is a holy book that chronicles Sai Baba's miracles and teachings. Reading it on Thursdays is considered highly beneficial practice. Read at least one chapter from Sai Satcharitra. Reflect on its meaning and how it applies to daily life. See, observing a fast. Many devotees observe a fast on Thursdays, consuming only simple foods like fruits or milk. Fasting is a way to discipline the mind and body. Practice: fast from sunrise to sunset, consuming only light foods. Spend the day in prayers and meditation. Break the fast with prasad, offered food. D. Offering yellow colored food and flowers. Sai Baba is believed to favor the color yellow, symbolizing wisdom and prosperity. Practice: offer yellow flowers like marigold at the temple. Prepare and distribute yellow colored sweets like besan ladu or kesari. 5. Miracles and blessings. Associated with Thursday worship, devotees of Sai Baba often experience miraculous blessings when they observe Thursday prayers with devotion. Some believe that their wishes are fulfilled, while others feel a deep sense of peace and guidance. There are countless stories of devotees overcoming hardships through unwavering faith in Sai Baba. One such story is of a devotee who was struggling with financial difficulties. He began observing Sai Vrat, a 9 Thursday fasting ritual, and experienced a complete turnaround in his life, finding stability and success. 6. Conclusion: living by Sai Baba's teachings. Beyond Thursdays, while Thursdays are special for Sai Baba devotees, his teachings should be practiced every day. Faith, patience, kindness, honesty, and surrender to God's will are values that enrich life and bring inner peace. Devotees who follow Sai Baba's advice find that their lives become more meaningful, their struggles become easier to bear, and their connection with the divine grows stronger. Whether it is through prayer, charity, or simply living a truthful life, honoring Sai Baba's wisdom leads to spiritual fulfillment.